riding high on your porch swing, just swinging the world away. Beating hearts, rhythms hard that guides our sway. Each passerby of waving hay. Me and you, we are worlds away, holding for a distant day. Me and you, we are worlds away. Never from your arms shall I ever stray. Love to feel the wind blowing through the trees. The scent of jasmine carries on the summer breeze. Love to hear the thunder on a rainy day. The time we spend together in our passion play. Me and you, we are worlds away, holding for a distant day. Me and you, we are worlds away. Never from your arms shall I ever stray. Me and you, we are worlds away, holding for a distant day. Me and you, we are worlds away. Never from your arms shall I ever stray. Me and you, we are worlds away, holding for a distant day. Me and you, we are worlds away. Never from your arms shall I ever stray.
Shall I ever stray?
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 Shall I ever stray? Just down the hill from the top of the world, where freshwater rivers begin, in the valley below what the Swiss call the Pearl, lies a friendly, warm, cozy old inn. Warm fires are burning, last long in the morning, stop in for a drink and some sin. Good times at the old inn. Light up a backdraft, you skied here, now relax, belly on up to the bar. Whiskey or wine will make you feel fine, and getting home's never too far. The dancing might sweep you away, gonna keep you those fillies smoking. They are good times at the old inn. Memories of holidays spent on the slopes, nights filled with music and beautiful folks. Share the car when you pull into town, just up past that next curve. You may never come down. Well, it's there on the right, snow glistens, schnee white, the red stripes, red trim, and wood brown. Louisa is waiting with dinner to serve, relaxed by the jukebox just past that next curve. You may never come down from good times at the old inn. That Danny's a flower, her smile a sun shower, she'll warm you right up in her glow. Sana was smoking, brother, I ain't just token, beauty like a river in flow. Must be in the water, that German's hot daughter got up and sang, stole the show. Good times at the old inn. Libations are flowing, the good vibes are growing. Two brothers are where they began. They're Aldo and Christoph, Chicago Mike's pissed off. The band's coming in late again. There may be parties in Zermatt, but we heard there's no pot and our weed supply's growing quite thin. So for now, good times at the old inn. Just down the hill from the top of the world, where freshwater rivers begin, in the valley below what the Swiss call the Pearl, lies a friendly, warm, cozy old inn. Comfort Swiss Southern style, stop in and stay a while. I'm feeling the room start to spin. Good, good times at the old inn. Soon be rising, gotta hit that horizon. I hope we can figure out how. Can't wait till next year, we'll meet you back right here. Wave goodbye to the cow. So let's sing to the rafters and bathe in sweet laughter. The road's calling beans, but for now, good times at the old inn. Times at the old inn. Good, good times at the old inn.